Hi, I'm Dave from Rain Harvesting. Today we're going to be looking at our tank overflows. Tank overflows mount to your tank and allow excess water to escape the tank once it becomes full. This ensures that the tank cannot overflow from its inlet, which could cause backflow issues or excess water pooling around the base of your tank. Our tank overflows are available in a range of sizes and profiles, so that it can be mounted on almost any tank type. Here's one of our overflows mounted on a corrugated metal tank, and here's one mounted onto a poly tank. Tank overflows provide a dedicated and robust mounting point for pipework and mozzie stoppers. Depending on your requirements for mounting it to the tank, they can be installed using either silicone, like on this tank, or with a supplied gasket, like on this tank. There are two styles of overflow, a straight version and a high-level version. The straight version allows water to overflow from the tank as soon as the level reaches the base of the fitting. Our high-level and extra high-level overflows are designed to increase the volume of water you are able to capture within your tank. The upward bend sits inside the tank, which raises the effective overflow level. You can see here how the water needs to rise further before it can exit the tank. Compared to a standard overflow, you can see the difference in the level of the water. As an example, if you were to install a high-level overflow on a 22,000 litre tank, you would capture around 1,300 litres extra compared to a standard overflow. An additional feature of the high-level designs is that all the overflow water is drawn from the top surface. This results in more surface debris exiting the tank. This might include small floating particles which may have made their way through the tank screen inlet into your tank. Our range of overflows will ensure there's the right size and style to suit your requirements. To find out more about them, just jump onto our website.